I showed you guys a new series of toys that are available at DAISO that are these cute little Hello Kitty dolls that you can dress up and do different things with. And last time we saw Hello Kitty and dear Daniel getting ready for a cute little date time. And today I was going to just show you guys a couple of the other characters, and then we're going to dress them up for working at the cafe. There's a couple of maid or what would they're called maid outfits, but they're essentially waitress outfits, and then the pastry chef's outfit as well. So these are two new characters here. We've got Mimi, which is Hello Kitty's sister, and then Fifi. And I was a little sad because I should have paid more attention when I bought. I could tell that her nose is already kind of weird, but that's okay. So these guys are just like the other ones. We've got Hello Kitty here already too, so we can kind of have them all dress up together here. But Fifi is a little lamb. She's adorable, isn't she, with her cute little flower there on top. They're all the same size, of course, and they all have cute little pink bodies. Daniel has a blue body, blue little shirt on. So we've got the three of them there, so that you can kind of set up your own little restaurant if you want to. So we've got everybody all dressed up and ready to, we can get them dressed up here. I was going to have Kitty be dressed up like this pastry chef. You can see her dressed up here. So she has her little outfit, and then also comes with a little menu too. So I'll get her dressed first. These toys, like I said before, each one of the dolls is 100 yen, or 105 yen, I should say. And then each one of these dresses is also another 100 yen, or 105 yen. So if you wanted to get Kitty dressed up like a little pastry chef, it would cost you 210 yen. Cute little dress here, just all one piece. Now the outfit that we had before for the dress for her and then Daniel's outfit, those had an extra little bag, which was cute. This does have a little thing you can cut out. This is a little menu, so you can cut that out and use that to serve to people if you prefer. So her little dress here is really pretty well made, considering, I mean, I guess 100 yen just for a dress might be considered a lot. But, to get this kind of a dress that's pretty well made like this is kind of cool. So got a little fuzz on there. But she has a cute little tie. And the only part that might cause a problem sometime is this little sticker here that's her ribbon, and that could probably come off after a time. So we can just get her dressed pretty easily, though. Slide her little hands through here. And I think, like, these toys are meant to be for little kids to play with, so you'd want to know that it's not too hard to get the little hands through and stuff. Little tight squeeze for that one there. But get her dressed up here. And again, on this one, because the fabric is felt, there's not a second side of the magic tape or Velcro tape. It just sticks to itself there in the back. So you've got her all dressed up. She looks adorable. So cute little pastry chef Hello Kitty all ready to go. And then for Fifi and Mimi, we're going to give them these cute little maid outfits. Now there's this maid black, and then there's also maid pink. So I was just going to have both of them dress up. I suppose I could also have it be Kitty and Mimi too if you wanted. But and then they have these little clipboards where you could take their order if you wanted to. So I'll go ahead and open these guys up. And they're just like the other dress too. It's just a single part to the dress, just all one piece. And but with cute little accents. I think it's nice they take the time to make the outer kind of this row of ribbon here, and then the bow, and making this part lace is really cute. So pretty adorable. Again, it has a sticker though, so it might prove to come off sometime if you're not careful, I suppose. So we'll go ahead and have Mimi dressed up in the black maid's outfit here. And this skirt is really full and pretty, which is nice. You could tell with these, even though they are fully posable, that probably after some time, if you're really rough on them, the arms and legs might pop off. We have to see. But you can get her little arms pulled through there. And it is a little bit of a tight kind of fit, so you do want to give it a little tug as you secure it in the back. But that's her adorable little outfit. Super cute little maid outfit there for Mimi. And then a similar kind of one, again, just in pink for Fifi, or whoever you want to have dress up. You could dress dear Daniel up in a dress if you want to. But again, the little clipboard that you can take out to take her order for working in the cafe here. And in the beginning, their arms don't maybe move as easily, but after some time of moving them around, they do move a little easier. So you could definitely pose them and have fun kind of doing that if you like doing that kind of thing. Cute little accents there. So we've got her nice and dressed up. So we've got our two little waitresses and then our pastry chef here for doing kind of like a setup of the kind of cafe. And I'll show you guys another time too that there's also these little play center area thingies that are made out of paper that you can take apart and use on the go. So if you want to play with these guys when you're on a road trip or something, it can be really cool. So I don't know exactly how often the things that are in the DAISO stores here are distributed to the DAISO stores in other countries. So if you do happen to have a DAISO in your area, these kind of toys might be something you want to keep your eyes open for to see if you can spot it, because they are pretty cute and I think it's a pretty good well-made toy considering the price. So if you guys have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below.